Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to easily create an automation in ConvertKit to save time and keep your email marketing running smoothly. First, log in to your ConvertKit account. From the top menu, click on Automate. Then select Visual Automations. Now click on New Automation. You'll see a few options. You can either start from scratch or choose from ConvertKit's pre-made templates. Next, select how people will enter your automation. The most common option is Joins a Form, which means when someone fills out your form, they'll enter the automation. Pick the form you've already created or click Create a New Form to make one. Once it's ready, link it to your automation. After connecting your form, click the plus icon to add steps. You can send a welcome email, add a delay, tag subscribers, or start a sequence of emails. Customize each step to match your email strategy. Once everything looks good, click Turn on Automation in the top right corner. And that's it! You've just created your first automation in ConvertKit. Now your subscribers will automatically get emails without any manual work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more ConvertKit tutorials.